Hey guys, welcome to video number 2 of the R32 Drift Car series.
Take out the head bolts, just a couple of exhaust bolts to undo, and see if we can get the head off. I think we might need to disconnect some of the hoses under the intake manifold, but we'll just see. If we can get the head loose, then we can see what else is needing to come off.
So Matt's taking the head studs out now, and he's said that he can't reach some of the head studs over here.
On the inlet cam.
So we need to take this camshaft out, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to be doing that now. So we loosened the camshaft up and we took these bolts out, but these bolts seem to be stuck in here. So we're going to have to somehow get these out. So all of the other ones were all loose. Let me show you what it's supposed to be like. See, these can freely move like this. Hopefully that's in the shot. But these ones are stuck. So I don't know how they got stuck in there. But we might have to screw these out and then get new bolts. Hopefully that will work.
So weird. I don't have ever come across an old one. I wonder if this is supposed to come up. This little piece. Oh yeah, it feels loose.
So we're currently trying to take this cover off because this camshaft is pretty wedged in there and we can't get it off. It's pretty loose up on this side, but down this side it's very tight. So
that cam just moved.
we really don't want to break these camshafts. You know how fragile they can be. That is really stuck.
It's moving a little. Here we go. We got a cam out. Should I drop it?
So we have one of the camshafts out. We're also going to take this one out and give it a clean. But now we will probably start pulling these head studs out of this side. Alright, so we've loosened all of the head studs on the engine now, and we just need to take a couple more bolts off the downpipe from the turbo. And then the oil drain from the turbo also needs to come off. And I think that's about it, and then I think we can pull it. I'm thinking it's going to be too heavy to pull with just me and Matt. But we will see. So we're jacking it up now to get underneath so that we can get those bolts that come off the turbo to the downpipe.
And the oil drain.
And the oil drain.
It's like I have to loosen this off like a fraction of a thread at a time. gasket a bit.
So we've got the head off. There it is. Here's the head gasket that we suspected was cracked.
Well,
and
definitely. Yeah.
We think it was this bit here, eh?
It's pretty melted. It's kind of like melted the edge of this kind of ring part on the head gasket. And then you can see like water's probably gone through there. But then even the head gasket got a bit munted when we pulled it out. Even up here, there's probably like a bit of blow by or something. You can see it's like a bit burnt and there's like a hole through there. But that doesn't link up with any water. I think it just got a bit hot in that one. But yeah, pretty sure that's our culprit there.
So how's the block looking?
I think that water was coming through there. See, that one's like clean, like it's dry. This one's wet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the pistons don't look too bad. There's like not really any damage on them.
They look pretty good. There's a little bit of metal there, but I think that's just from the gasket kind of...
Like flaked off.
Yeah, I lifted it off myself and it was really heavy. So I kind of...
Hey, I helped.
Yeah, but I got it up on the railway support.
So now we're taking what? Take the head in to get machined?
Yeah, we'll clean this block, check if it's warped, take the head in, get the head machined. We've already got new head gasket and bolts, so yeah, should be fairly straightforward. It's just the main thing, well, it's really dirty in the head. We're probably gonna pull everything off the head, give the head like a mean degrease, just a mean clean, and get a machine. So yeah.
We need an engine stand.
Look how brown that is. That stuff has an engine stand. Oh look, we're pissing out coolant.
I think you're right. I think it did come from that. So like the crack came from that cylinder there.
Yeah.
And that's why we had water pissing out of the engine and smoke.
You can feel it.
Alright, so that's it for the second video on the R32 Drift Car series. Remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment.